Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Ivan, and in this video I will show you how to clean your glass shower doors. First, I'm going to show you how to remove soap residue. Then, I'm going to show you how to remove any hardware spots left behind that just won't come off. And lastly, I'm gonna finish up by showing you how to protect them so they will stay cleaner for longer. Stick around. To clean the glass shower door, you don't need an expensive cleaner. All you need is 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and about a teaspoon of dishwashing. This is a great simple mix that I like to use on glass shower doors when they are not extremely dirty. To clean the glass, liberally spray it down on the surface and let it set for about 5 to 10 minutes. The key here is to give the vinegar enough time to work. You want to let it dwell on the surface so it can break down the hard water buildup and loosen up the soap scum. Then grab a non-scratch sponge or a piece of magic razor. I prefer to use GoDaddy sponges because those are my favorites when it comes to clean glass shower doors. They are strong enough to cut through dirt and grime, and they are not going to scratch or cause any damage to any surface. Once you have scrubbed it, give it a good rinse with water from top to bottom of the glass. Now let's talk about removing any hardware spots. To remove them, all you need is steel wool. This is one of the best cleaning tips I could ever give you because it works like magic, and you can do the same thing with your chrome water taps and faucets if they have water spots. I really hope you don't have to use this, but I want to give you an option for those really bad glass shower doors. Now you are going to use the same cleaning solution, but instead of using a non-scratch sponge or a piece of magic sponge, you are going to use steel wool. So the key to use it on the glass without causing any scratches or damages is to always use it on a wet surface. The difference between the regular sponge and the steel wool is with the regular sponge you are scrubbing the hard water buildup that has been dissolved by the cleaner. But the steel wool is going to be a bit stronger to remove the buildup from the surface. Once you finish, you can give it another spray down with water to rinse away any of those steel wool fibers down the drain. So now you have the glass door looking clean and crystal clear. Here's my tips to help maintain and prevent hard water buildup. The first tip is a simple squeegee. When you are showering, it's always best to squeegee top to bottom and remove as much of the water of the glass shower doors as possible. If you let it sit on there, it's going to dry, and those minerals deposits are going to start to develop on the glass. The second option is to use a water repellent on the glass. Rain X is probably the most well known. It is typically used on car windshields, but it does an amazing job on glass shower doors. Simply spray the glass with Rain X. Do one pane at a time. Don't spray the entire shower because you don't want it to dry before you get the chance to buff it in. So do one pane at a time. Spray it down with Rain X and buff it in with a dry microfiber cloth. That will keep the glass clean and not give the dirt and grime a chance to stick or any hard water spots to form. From time to time you will need to repeat this process, but it will be much easier each time. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more cleaning tips. Until next time, happy cleaning!